That's the biggest ice cream I've ever had in my entire life. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! There goes my ice cream! Oh no! Thank you so much. How much do I owe you? 3 cents? 3 cents. No 3? Now it's 4 cents? Am I getting cheated? You told me 3 cents. Okay, I'll give you one more penny. 4 cents. Are you taking all my... You're taking all my money! I just got robbed. Was this ice cream worth it? Let's try it. Ooh, it was worth all my money. What are we doing today, you guys? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? It's a kitchen creations Play-Doh where we get to make ice cream.
Yeah!
Are you guys ready?
Yes. I'm ready to open it.
Whoa! Look at all of that.
We can make 2 ice creams.
And these cards were inside. This looks so silly. Look at this silly ice cream. It looks like a clown. Banana split. Ooh, you can make popsicles too. Look at this silly one. Now that that's open, let's go ahead and see what ice cream we want to make. So we could follow those. We can also do what's on the box. Look. Do you guys see what's on the box?
Yeah, but I want to do a popsicle.
You can make popsicles. You can make whatever you want. Yeah, let's get creative. Angela, what'd you make?
This thing.
You made the silly guy?
Yeah.
I love it. So you're making popsicles?
Yes. 3, 2, 1.
Smush it really, really good.
Let's check it out.
Uh-oh, it didn't mold yet together. Maybe we need more Play-Doh. Let's add some more Play-Doh.
Yeah, let's add some more Play-Doh right here.
Okay.
And then some right here. Hey! Ma!
Did it just try to roll from you?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's try to close it.
Yeah, to see.
Smush it really, really good. Ooh, it's smushing out. Oh, how cool! Angelo! You made popsicles!
I'm making...
Those
Yeah!
look perfect. What are you doing over here,
I'm
baby?
making... poo-poo. No, not poo-poo.
What are you making, Evelyn?
Making... Abby?
Ice cream? Those are popsicles? Are you making a sundae? Ice cream sundae? Wow.
Rolling it.
So you took, yep. And squish it in there.
No, Mama.
Ooh, look at that. Looks delicious. Can I have some sprinkles on it, please?
There's no sprinkles, just so you know. 2 scoops of ice cream or what?
2 scoops, please.
Coming right up. Popsicle with that too?
No, just a big ice cream.
Okay. Got it right up.
Can I have 3 scoops?
No.
Why not?
Because you get only 2.
Okay.
3 makes you get sick.
Oh, it's gonna make me sick to my tummy?
Yeah.
Okay, 2 scoops.
I make
Ooh, look at peanuts, Ami. Wow, look at that. Now, Angela, can I have some sprinkles on top?
Right.
Some blue and orange sprinkles. Did I just get a 3rd scoop? Oh my goodness. Thank you so much.
You get more scoops than that.
Wow, that's amazing. Oh my goodness, another scoop. That's the biggest ice cream I've ever had in my entire life.
You're getting more than that.
More? Oh my, is it gonna be able to hold all of that ice cream? Whew, I'm gonna have a tummy ache after all this ice cream. Wow. Oh no, oh no, oh no, there goes my ice cream. Okay, Peanut, are you making me an ice cream too?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Actually, I'm gonna make you a smoothie for the ice cream.
You're gonna make me a smoothie? That sounds delicious.
I'm gonna make it on me.
Okay. Thank you so much. Delicious. Is that my smoothie?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, where's a straw? I need a straw or a spoon. Can I have a spoon?
Wait, I'm just putting more.
More? Here, I want a banana in it, please. Thank you, sir. And I want some sprinkles.
Okay.
Wow, this looks amazing. I can't wait to eat it. Wow, thank you so much. Oh, thank you. A little bit more, sir. Thank you so much. That was so good. Is that yummy?
You got a stomach ache?
Nope, no stomach ache. Why? What did you make me?
It told me.
A smoothie? Thank you so much. Can I have a straw, please?
What?
Yummy, thank you. Are you drinking my smoothie? Oh. Thank you, sir. Oh, how much do I owe you?
25 cents.
25 cents? Okay. Okay, sir, here's your 25 cents. I got 10, 15, 25. And now I'm gonna enjoy my smoothie. Delicious. Are you making a rainbow popsicle?
The store is closed, though. The ice cream store is closed, though.
No. I want more ice cream.
This popsicle is for me, so this is closed.
But I have all this money yet. I have a lot of money to buy more ice cream.
Mama, I mean.
She's gonna make me some ice cream. I got money for you, ma'am.
Yeah, my money. What about me? What about me? I'm making you popsicle.
I thought you were closed.
I was just kidding.
Okay. Whew. Whoa, that is the yummiest looking rainbow popsicle I've ever seen in my life.
Give me 100,000.
100,000? I don't have 100,000.
100,000 money.
Can it be 5 cents?
Yes.
Okay. Here you go, a nickel, 5 cents. Thank you. Can I have my popsicle, sir?
Look at the other side.
Why is it not rainbow on that side?
Because we're supposed to be like that.
Nom, 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 nom. Delicious. Thank you so much. Okay, ma'am, I want a green ice cream, really, really big one.
Apple, Annie, a white Annie.
Okay. Oh, thank you so much. How much do I owe you? 3 cents? Okay.
I'm a mommy.
1 penny, 2 penny, and 3 pennies. So 3 cents.
No,
No 3?
me.
Now it's 4 cents? Am I getting cheated? You told me 3 cents. Okay, I'll give you 1 more penny. 4 cents. Are you taking all my... You're taking all my money! I just got robbed. Was this ice cream worth it? Let's try it.
Go get...
Ooh, it was worth all my money. Delicious.